Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to add background music in YouTube Shorts without copywriting. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. And show you how to do it. Alright. And open YouTube. And click on plus. And start recording. Or select your video. And click on done. And click on left corner sound. And select music and search music. Alright, click on and change volume. Click on cancel and click on next. And write caption. Select preview and click on save draft or upload short. That's all.